Bro, I literally said don't click this video, but you clicked it anyway. Let me explain why. Imagine scrolling through YouTube, your eyes skimming over hundreds of videos. What makes you click on that one video? Is it the title, the description, or maybe just the thumbnail? Today, we're going to explore exactly what makes a thumbnail irresistible. Let's be honest, we've all been guilty of clicking on a video purely because of the thumbnail. But what makes a thumbnail so attractive? The answer lies in psychology. Emotion plays a huge role. Humans are emotional beings, and thumbnails that evoke strong emotions like joy, surprise, or even fear grab our attention instantly. Think of an expressive face that's laughing or shocked. Our brains are hardwired to quickly recognize and react to faces, and YouTubers cleverly use this to their advantage. Don't forget about color. Color has a massive impact on how we perceive things. Bright, contrasting colors stand out and immediately draw your eyes. Red, yellow, and blue are the winners here. Red can create a sense of urgency or excitement. Yellow is often associated with energy and joy, and blue can evoke feelings of trust and calmness. By using these colors, you can grab and hold your viewers' attention. Text on thumbnails is another powerful technique. A short, catchy text can be just the right amount of curiosity needed to get someone to click on your video. Think of phrases like, "You won't believe what happens next," or "the biggest mistake you're making with." These phrases give a hint of the content without giving too much away, creating a sense of intrigue and necessity to know what happens. An interesting strategy used by many successful YouTubers is creating a sense of urgency or exclusivity. Phrases like, "only today," or "don't miss this," can prompt viewers to click immediately before they miss out on something important. We also need to talk about the power of recognition. Have you noticed that popular YouTubers often appear on their own thumbnails? That's no coincidence. People have a natural tendency to recognize and react to faces. A friendly, familiar face can significantly increase the clickability of your video. If you consistently feature yourself in your thumbnails, viewers can build a connection with you and are more likely to click on your videos. Another trick often used is playing with proportions and perspective. By depicting objects or people larger or smaller than usual, you can create visually interesting and eye-catching thumbnails. This can pique the viewer's curiosity and prompt them to click on your video to find out what's going on. Now let's look at the use of arrows and circles. But before we do that, I have one question. What do you think is the most important element of a great thumbnail? Let me know in the comments below. So, arrows and circles, these simple graphic elements can direct the viewer's attention to specific parts of the thumbnail. They can highlight a particular detail that makes the viewer curious about the content of the video. So, what can we learn from all this? If you want your videos to get more views, focus on designing thumbnails that evoke emotions. Use bright colors, pique curiosity, feature human faces, play with proportions and perspective, and incorporate framing and graphic elements like arrows and circles. But if you're looking for a shortcut, there's a tool called Pikzels that might be just what you need. With Pikzels, you can easily replicate the success of top thumbnails by copying and recreating them with just a few clicks. Don't forget, if you sign up with the code RevenueRoadmap25, you will get the first month 25% off your plan. You can find the link in the description below. All right, everyone, we've covered a lot of ground. I hope you're excited to start creating thumbnails that no one can resist clicking on. Trust me, once you nail this, your videos are going to be the ones everyone's clicking on. If you enjoyed this little thumbnail deep dive, go ahead and give that like button a high five, subscribe for more fun tips, and let's chat in the comments. What's your go-to thumbnail trick? Or got any questions? I'm here for it. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next video.